Hey guys, this is Adrian Nye, a registered dietitian, healthy eating, and weight loss coach. And today I'll be talking about why changing your habits is not enough for weight loss. You might think for weight loss you just have to eat less and have more fruits and vegetables. Well, the answer is yes and no. What do I mean by that? Well, weight loss is not merely the fact of just swapping one food for another to get results. There's so much more to that. The very, very basics of weight loss is being in a calorie deficit. In other words, eating less than our body needs. But in a humanistic sense, there's so much more to that. Our body is influenced by our physiology, which includes our appetite, social norms, how we eat with our friends, and familial and cultural practices, so how we grew up eating. When you try to restrain yourself from eating a certain food, like stopping yourself from eating chips, it can affect your cognitive performance. So how you do your work and think throughout the day, because it is using your brain power to think about not doing something. Here I talk about more about willpower in my YouTube video. In order for you to create a new habit, you need to be aware and make the change based on two things: thoughts and behaviors. What am I talking about is referred to a type of therapy called cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT for short. Let me break this down and not make it too technical. CBT is based on your cognition, how you think, and behavior, how you behave or the skills you need. So let me say it again. CBT is defined as knowing what to do and knowing how to get yourself to do what you want. CBT has been scientifically proven to be effective in helping people with weight loss and keeping it off. And this is what I apply with my clients to help them lose weight and keep it off for good. So let's apply it and I'll show you how it works. So for example, if you want healthier snacks, but you're saying to yourself, this sucks, I have to eat boring vegetables and fruits for snacks, but I'll do it anyways in order for me to lose weight. Versus the thinking, yes, I get to pick out my favorite fruits and vegetables to have as a snack. I'm so proud of myself for packing my favorites as a snack. When you tell yourself that it sucks, you're less likely going to stick with the plan. The negative thinking doesn't translate and support the behavior that you want to create. Another example is changing the thought patterns that you may have for sustainable, healthy weight loss. It is highly common for people to give little attention and positivity to what they have already achieved in their own minds. So for example, you might tell yourself, I only lost 4 pounds so far. Weight loss is so hard. Versus, I lost 4 pounds and I have a strategy that will help me continue losing more weight, and I know it will happen in a healthy, sustainable way. Based on these two statements, which are you more likely to create a behavior change? Right? So what should you do to make CBT work for you and to create lasting habit changes for weight loss? First thing is, take notice of what you tell yourself around food throughout the day and see what your thoughts are. Make the conscious effort to squash and change those thoughts if they don't serve you once they happen. So in summary, habit change is so much more than just swapping out one food for another and being in a calorie deficit for weight loss. You want to use CBT in your favor. In other words, changing the way you're thinking to affect the behavior that you want to happen. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos from me.